So we're checking if we should be jumping. How about we also check if we should be falling? So we'll modify this if block to an if else if. So there we go. Now we're going to check else if we should be falling. Now, when we're falling, our velocity y is greater than 0. We're not standing still vertically. So we'll duplicate this less than block and we'll change that to y velocity is greater than 0. And then we can grab another animation and just say play the animation fall. Let's test that out. So that seems to look good, jumping and falling. Now if the player is alive and if they're not jumping and they're not falling, what else can they be doing? Well, they can be idling, standing still, or they can be running. So let's modify this to add one else at the bottom there to give us a bit more, another decision to make. And in here we can check what's the difference between idling and running. Well, running, you've got a velocity x that's not 0, but idling, your velocity x does equal 0. So we'll check if velocity x equals 0. Let's go to control flow, grab that if block, and we want this to be if else. If velocity x equals 0, we want to do idle, so we need equals. We need velocity x, we can grab that from velocity y, and 0. Velocity x equals 0, play the idle animation. That's just where they're standing still. And finally, if they're not idling, they need to be playing the run animation. Alright, that's all our animations. Let's play that. And that's great.